Hello, this is René from AOL, and welcome back to this week's Cloud Birth Planner hint. Today's hint about the Cloud Birth Planner is a little trick for how you can make sure that the users in your port who's using the online birth planner see the birth planner as your tool, even if it is a cloud tool running on the internet. There's little features you can upload your logo of your terminal, and if you consult the online user guide, there's a couple of hints as for how you make sure that the logo fits into the birth planner. There's a reference to an online free graphical tool that will help you to reshape the logo so it fits exactly into the birth planner, and the result is that when all your users are using the birth planner, that you will be able to see the logo in the upper left corner at any point of time. Also notice that your terminal name is always listed in the lower right corner next to the name of the individual users who have logged in. That was it for today's hint. More hints coming up in a couple of days.